Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we are with Miss,
Dr. Anshul Gupta,
author of.
The Spiritual Indian Corporate.
So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
Once in a lifetime experience and especially exhilarating for the first time authors like me.
Right.
And especially for the fact that the book is written after so many years of research and it getting the kind of visibility that it is getting. It is one of the biggest stalls that I see here.
Right.
So yeah, I really would want to thank Notion Press.
Can you tell us a little bit more about your book?
So the book is proposing a fresh dimension of managing human resources.
Okay.
It is discussing workplace spirituality in the
Right.
Indian corporate.
Right.
So it is written after about 7 years of research. I have done my MPhil and PhD
Right.
on workplace spirituality.
Okay.
So it works about having four dimensions at workplace.
Right.
That is employees finding meaning in life through work,
Right.
having connectedness at work, your values and organization values matching, having
Right.
compassion at work. So
Right.
this construct in totality is known as workplace spirituality.
Interesting topic too. I've never, seen this. It's a really fresh perspective.
Yeah, so when we see a lot of chaos around us and we come up to do a research in a particular field. So I've been into HR for almost 10 years before coming into research.
Right.
I work with pretty eminent companies.
Right. So you've
And-
seen this work like in real
Yes.
life. Right.
And then after your doctorate you go back to work and you see that the world hasn't changed and the problem that you have tried to solve is really the need of the hour.
Right.
So that is when I sat down and got my research into a book
Right.
which can be read by the corporates and incorporated in their culture. There's a book 2 also coming in,
Wow.
which Notion Press will only be publishing.
Right.
Which will have the measurement scales, the models of implementation,
Right.
and the ethics of implementation.
Right. Thank you so much for sharing that with us, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming here. Congratulations on your
Pleasure
book.
is all mine.
I hope you have a wonderful book fair. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
That was wonderful. Very good.